Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to dive into the fascinating world of machine learning. If you've ever wondered what it is and how it works, then this video is perfect for you. So, let's get started. What is machine learning? Machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence that enables computers to learn from data without being explicitly programmed. In other words, it's a way for computers to learn and improve on their own by analyzing and adapting to data. The three types of machine learning. Number 1, supervised learning. Number 2, unsupervised learning. Number 3, reinforcement learning. The three types of machine learning definition. Supervised learning involves training a model using labeled data. Unsupervised learning involves finding patterns in unlabeled data. Reinforcement learning involves learning through a system of rewards and punishments. Real-world applications of machine learning. Machine learning is being used in a wide variety of fields, including healthcare, finance, transportation, and more. For example, it's being used to improve medical diagnoses, optimize financial investments, and even develop self-driving cars. The importance of data. Data is at the heart of machine learning. In order to train a model, you need large amounts of data to feed it. The quality and quantity of your data will directly impact the accuracy and effectiveness of your model. Overfitting and underfitting. Overfitting and underfitting are two common problems that can occur when training a machine learning model. Overfitting occurs when the model is too complex and fits the training data too closely, while underfitting occurs when the model is too simple and fails to capture the underlying patterns in the data. Feature engineering. Feature engineering is the process of selecting and extracting relevant features from your data to improve the performance of your machine learning model. This can involve techniques like dimensionality reduction and feature scaling. Model selection. There are many different types of machine learning models to choose from, including linear regression, logistic regression, decision trees, and neural networks. Choosing the right model for your data and problem is critical to achieving good results. Training and testing. Once you have selected your model and engineered your features, it's time to train and test your model. This involves splitting your data into a training set and a testing set, and then training your model on the training set and evaluating its performance on the testing set. Evaluation metrics. There are many different evaluation metrics that you can use to measure the performance of your machine learning model, including accuracy, precision, recall, and F1 score. Choosing the right metric for your problem will depend on the specific goals and requirements of your project. Improving model performance. There are many techniques that you can use to improve the performance of your machine learning model, including hyperparameter tuning, regularization, and ensemble methods. Ethical considerations. As with any technology, there are important ethical considerations to keep in mind when working with machine learning. These include issues around bias, privacy, and accountability. Getting started with machine learning. If you're interested in getting started with machine learning, there are many resources available online, including tutorials, courses, and open-source libraries like TensorFlow and PyTorch. Machine learning is an exciting and rapidly evolving field with tremendous potential to transform our world. Whether you're working in healthcare, finance, transportation, or any other field, there are many ways that you can leverage this powerful technology to drive innovation and progress. So there you have it, a brief introduction to machine learning. I hope this video has helped you understand what it is, how it works, and some of its many applications. If you want to learn more about machine learning, be sure to click the subscribe button and stay tuned for future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.